Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the Imperial Shag in Heartopia. So they will either be at the EC or the Zephyr Sea. Is that how you pronounce it? Zephyr Sea. They're gonna be here all day in sunny, rainbow, and rainy like weather. There are two shags. There's the European one, which is blue, and there is the Imperial one, which looks like this. This is the Imperial one, and this is the European one. So I'm just going to take a picture here, and this is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, you will need to be level 9 of the bird watching hobby. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!